Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about a brand new product from LA Colors called LA Colors Color Balm Lip and Cheek Stick. And LA Colors has a huge range of products, and depending on where you shop, you're going to see different products because they are sold at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Walmart, and they carry different products at every store. So this particular product is sold at Family Dollar. I went to a Family Dollar yesterday. I had not been to one in a long, long time. The retail price at Family Dollar of this is $2. It is on the LA Colors website for $3.50, but you can get it for $2 at Family Dollar. This is a hybrid product, so you can use it on your cheeks or your lips. Now, I bought something similar to this at Dollar Tree one time, and it was one of the worst LA Colors products that I've ever used, but I have a funny feeling that this might be a whole different story because yeah, the quality of LA Colors can vary quite a bit from product to product and from line to line. So this is supposed to be moisturizing. It has a vanilla scent to it, and the best way to describe this scent is, you know how when you buy vanilla to use for baking, you can either buy real vanilla or you can buy the imitation vanilla. This smells exactly like the imitation vanilla that you would buy like at Dollar Tree, for example. Yeah, it smells exactly like that imitation vanilla scent, which isn't a bad scent, it's just different than the real thing. But yeah, this is supposed to be moisturizing, and you're supposed to be able to use it two different ways. So I am going to try this out with you today. I have all my makeup done except for my blush, highlighter, and setting spray, and I have the only thing that's on my lips is my Hard Candy Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil in Crystal Clarity. So I do have on some other products today that I have not used in a video before, so I'm just going to run down quickly what is on my face. So I told you what was on my lips, and then I have on e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer, Lottie London Bright Bounce Corrector in Light, Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in 00BB Nude. Everything will be in the description box as always. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I set everything with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in Light Pink. I bronzed my face with my NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in Butta Cup. On my eyes, I used my Colourpop Shadow Stick in Bear With Me, and that's sort of as a base in the crease and outer part of my eye. Then I did my brows with my Profusion Brow Kit, which is from the 2023 holiday collection. Then I took my Profusion Neon palette and I used the shade, it's SRSLY, which is text for seriously, and I put that like deep in the crease. Then I went in with this, which I had never used before. This is an LA Colors liquid eyeshadow in the shade Stellar. I found this one day at Dollar Tree. I don't know if it was part of a collection at one time or not, because I found it just like in the regular part of the makeup section. So that's from Dollar Tree. And that is what is on my lids. And it went on beautiful. LA Colors liquid eyeshadows are very, very nice. They apply like a dream. They go on evenly. And as long as you wipe off the doe foot applicator before you begin, you should have exactly the right amount of product to just cover your lid. Then I went in with this. I bought this a while ago, you guys, but have just never gotten around to using it. I saw this at Dollar Tree one day. It's a Malibu Glitz Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in number 4. And I used this shade right here in the outer part of my eye. And I also have another one of these in another color number, but haven't really played with these yet. Today was actually the first day that I've used one of these, and it worked fine. So that was from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I said that. All right, so let's dive into this color balm. So yeah, this is a brand new product from LA Colors, and part of their regular line, I guess you would say. You can find a lot of their regular products at Family Dollar, Dollar General, and Walmart, but this particular one I think is only sold at Family Dollar. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to apply this directly to my face because I have on setting powder and foundation and everything, so I don't want to get that on the product because I am going to put that on my lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dense brush and I'm just going to go over it a little bit, and that might be too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stipple this onto my face like that. Now what I have found in the past with these hybrid products is that they usually go on great as one thing but not the other. I think I used too much. So like with these hybrid products, usually it'll work great as a blush but not as a lipstick, or vice versa. So I noticed on the LA Colors website, they have it categorized as a lipstick. So I suspect that it might be even better as a lipstick. We're going to find out in a minute. So I put too much product on the brush because I usually don't like this much blush. So what I usually do when this happens is I just take a little more setting powder and buff that right into the blush. And that will usually just take it down a notch. I mean, it's not going to completely change it, but better, right? Better. Okay, so now I can apply my highlighter, which I've been using my Lottie London Diamond Bounce Illuminating Highlighter in Frosted a lot lately because this is one of my oldest highlighters. So I'm doing this Project Pan thing where I'm going back and using like my oldest products and trying to use them before they expire. So I'm just going to dust this across the top of my cheeks. This is really pretty and really good for anybody who has like a light skin tone. A white highlighter is usually very complimentary, we'll say. All right, now we're going to go in with this as a lipstick. So with this type of thing, you don't really need a lip liner. You should be able to get a nice line with this. Okay, it does feel very nice going on. And I do like that imitation vanilla smell. And this was the color that I looked at everything they had, and this was the one that appealed to me the most. It's called Blushing, and it's just a really nice, like generic pink color. This was the most cool tone of the bunch. Okay. I like it, guys. And it worked fine as blush and lipstick. And the only thing is, you know, if you apply it the way I did, just be careful how much you put on your brush because this ended up being way more pigmented than I was expecting it to be. I like that color and I like the way it applied. It feels nice on the lips. Don't need a lip liner. $2 at Family Dollar. That's a win for me. So next time, if you shop at Family Dollar, you may want to check these out. There were quite a few colors to pick from too. So if you're not into cool tone pinks, there were a lot of other choices too. I think there was maybe 4 other choices, I would say, from what I recall. And there was a lot of things in there that I had never tried before. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel when you do. And thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you being here and watching. Bye, guys.